Okay, be honest. Have you ever had $5 in your pocket on Monday? And by Friday, you're like, where did it all go? Yeah, that's what happens to new businesses too. Except it's not $5, it's 50 or 500. Now keep in mind, a business without numbers is a hobby with stress. Today, you're going to learn the habit that separates real entrepreneurs from dreamers. Today, we're focusing on one thing, tracking every dollar. Sounds boring, right? It's actually a superpower. Here's why. When you track your money, you start seeing patterns. You notice things like, wow, I make more money on Fridays. Ingredients cost more than I thought. Wait, I'm actually making a profit. Because you can't improve what you don't measure. Here's how simple this is. Grab a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free app. Now create 3 columns: date, money in, and money out. Every time money moves, you write it down. Bought lemons for $3? Write it. Made $8 selling lemonade? Write it. That's it. Do this for 1 week, and something powerful happens. You'll know exactly how much you made, exactly how much you spent, and whether you're actually winning. Here's a pro tip. Don't just write the amount, write what you spend it on. Instead of just 3, write lemons 3. Because later, you might realize, whoa, I spent $40 on cups. And that's when you think, maybe I should buy in bulk. That's how entrepreneurs save money. Here's your mission. Set up your tracker right now. Pen and paper is perfect. Log your first 3 transactions, then commit to tracking every single dollar for the next 7 days. Because the entrepreneurs who win aren't the ones with the best ideas. They're the ones who know their numbers. You got this. Let's go.